What's going on, guys? My name is Ethan. I'm a decent Kakuro player, and today we're back with another Kakuro game. We're going to play the medium one in the weekly bonus section. Let's check it out. It's 10 by 12, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, 10 by 12. Alright, let's start. It looks like this. Okay, what do we have? There's 1, 3 here. 6 is 1, 2, 3. Everything is possible. Let's check this one. Yep, this felt like it can only be a 3. 4 is 1, 3. 33 can only start with a 3. And then 6, 7, 8, 9 can only be 6, 8, 9 here. Because 23 can be a 7. What about this? Alright. So this can be 6, 7, 8, 9. This can only be 6 or 7. Let's point it out. So if this can only be 6, 7, this means that this takes this column. So the rest are 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Everything here can be 1 to 5. It's really not helpful that much. 1, 2. Here is 1, 2. Let's write it down. This is 7, 9. This can't be a 9. So this only has to be a 7. And then it's 1, 2. This one is the 9. What else do we have? This is 1, 2. This can't be a 1. Yep. 32 can only start with a 2. So this is the 2. This is the 1. And then this is 6, 7, 8, 9. Which means that it can only be a 6. As you see, this one was only a 6. Now it's 2, 1. This one has to be the 2 because this is the 1. And this is 1 and this is a 2. Great, let's keep going. 23. A lot of options. I don't want to touch it yet. This has to be 7, 8, 9. This can only be 7, 9. What about this? This can only be 7. As you see, this can be 8 or 9. So this is the 7, this is the 8, this is the 9. This is the 8. Now here 1, 3, this is the 1, so this is the 3. The 1, what are we missing? 8, 9, this is the 8. So this is the 9. 8. Very simple so far. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 in this 18. Let's finish this for a second. 7, 4. Let's make sure that this is correct. It is correct. Great. Let's keep going. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Can only be 1, 2, 3 here. This can only be 3 or 4. So you see these are not options. This is 3, 4. And then 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. This can only be 7, 8 then, because it can be a 9. And then it's 1, 2, which makes sense. Honestly, it makes sense. Then here it's also 7. Okay, look at this. So if this is 3 or 4, it's this column. This is 7, 8. It's this column. This one has to be the 9 then. Because in both options, there has to be a 9, and it can be in any other spot. This is 1 to 6. Okay, this is 1 to 6, as you see, and 33 can only be a 6. 6 is the lowest one, so this has to be the 6. Which means this is a 7, and this is 2, 8, 9s that we can't figure out yet. This is the 1. I don't know what's going on here. 1, 2. So this is the 2. This is the 1. This is 6, 8, 9, and this is also 6, 8, 9. Can it be something else? No, it can be an 8 or 9, so this one is only a 6. Which means this is 8, 9. And this is 2, 4. No, 34 is always 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here you can only have 2 or 4, so it has to be the 2. It has to be the 4. 2. Great, okay. Now 34, we're left with 6, 7, 8, 9. We have a 7 here. So it can only be a 6. And then we're left with 7, 8, 9. That can be everywhere. So 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. What about this? Okay, so if we look at this correctly, we see that it has to be an 8, 9. It has to be 7, 8, 9. First of all the options that don't have at least 2 numbers that are above 7, not real options. 7, 8 is fine. This is fine. This is fine. No, this is like not fine, not fine. So this is the only option. 3, 7, 8. So this is the 3, and 7, 8 has to be this. This is the 9, this is the 8, this is the 9. And now we're going to double check if we're correct. If this shows the same number, this is 4 and this is 4, this means that everything here should be correct. 7, 8, 3, 4, we know that. Here is still 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write it down. 22, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 as well. All right, let's keep going. This 24 is 7, 8, 9. Can we do 7, 8, 9 here? We can. It's really annoying. 13 and 5 is always good, because 5 can be 1 to 4. 13 can only start with a 4, which means this has to be the 4, 1, and 9, not 6. Now this is 9, 7. Since we have a 9 here already, this is 7, and this is the 9. And 24, 7, 8, 9, we already have a 7, 9 here, so this is the 8. There's a 9 here, 8 here, this is the 7, and this is the 9 and the 4. What else? What else? Let's see. 4, 6, this is 4, so this is 6, 4, 1, 3, 5, 7, not really helpful. What are we missing here? 1, 2, 3. If this is 1, 2, 3, this definitely can be a 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 is still unclear, and what's going on here? 1, 2, 3. This can only be 1, 3. So let's just write it down, and here 1, 2, 3, everything is possible. All right, we don't have the answer here yet, but if we know that this is 1, 3, it's either this or this. The other one has to be the other two. 5, 7. Now 5 can't be here because 5 into 15 impossible. So this is a 7, and this is going to be the 1, and this is going to be the 8. 1, 2. This is only 2 or 3, so it has to be the 2. This is the 1, this is the 3, this is the 4. Everything just solves itself. This is the 7, the 2, the 1. When you use pencil, it's so much easier. If you just write all the option of the square, everything just solves itself, as you see. And what are we left with? 2, 3, 5, 6. 2, 3, 5, 6. This can only be 3 or above, but I'm not going to write all the options. What about here? This is 8, 9, 8, 9. Okay, so 30 is 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, if we look at this 18, every option that doesn't have 6, 7, 8, 9 is not a real option, so we just need the 6 or 8. So this is the 6 or 8. It can be the 9, can be the 7. That's not really helpful. As to what I see right now, 16 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. If we look at the 15, it can be below 6. 6 is the first number that it can be, so it's 6, 9 here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. And this only starts with a 4, so this can only start with a 4, so we use the 4 here. And we do the same thing right now with the 33, because it's now only 1, 2, 3, and the lowest number can be a 3. So this is a 3, and then we have 1, 2, 1, 2, and I'm pretty sure it's unclear for now. Yep. 1, 2, 8, 6. Okay, we don't. Okay, there's something here. So, okay. So 33 can't be below 3. If we have 1, 2 here, and we know that this is either the 8 or 6, this square can only be one of these numbers, then we need to use these numbers on these two. Now this is not an option because this is the reason this is not an option, because it can be 1, 2, 1, 2, because 1, 2 can't be here. This is not a real option, so it has to be 1, 2, and the other one has to be 3, 4. So okay, it has to be 3, 4s, which means that it's this column. So the rest numbers should be from 5 to 8, all over the place here. This is an 8, 9, 8, 9 spot, and it makes sense. This is 5 to 8, this is 5 to 8. Can't really use it though at the moment. 8, 9, 8, 9, let's write it off. 2, 3, 5, 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9. Not so clear in the end here. Okay, wait, 3. Okay, we have a 3 here, and it can't be a 2 because it's only 3 and above. Hold on, it's 3. Okay, good. So it's now 6, 7, 8, 9, and it means that this has to be the 6 here. Hopefully you understand what I'm saying here. 2, 1, 2, 3, 6, good. 3 and 6. This is 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. Let's write it off. What about this? 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. This can't be a 6. Oh, this can be a 9, because, wait, oh, I manually put the 8, 9 here after I saw that there's a 9 here? Good job, me. I don't understand why it shows me a 9 when there's already a 9 here. Good job, me. 6, 7, there's a 6 here, so this one is the 7, and we basically solved it. How long was it? 10 minutes? Great. And let's see. 9:53, because we started the video before. Alright guys, we're done with the weekly bonus games. So in a few days we're going to continue with the hard pack. We're going to start with the 10x12. It's going to take around an hour, I believe. No, half an hour, not hour. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, write something in the comments, and I'll see you guys probably on Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, with the next one. Thanks for watching, see you then. Bye bye.